right, we are on 4.4 lesson 2, and it says I can use right angles to determine whether angles are equal to, greater than, or less than right angles. I can draw right, obtuse, and acute angles. So these are our key vocab today: right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. That's what we want to learn by the end of this. So we're going to fill in our definitions and then examples of what these words are. So first one is a right angle. And that means that we have an angle that equals 90 degrees. We'll talk about what that is. So remember, 90 degrees is if I have two line segments and they come at a 90-degree angle. And we label that with a box. So this would be an example of a right angle. So vertex is where is the corner of an angle. So it's where those two lines meet. That's going to be the vertex. So I can make any kind of angle you want to. This is going to be our vertex right here. I'll put a little V for vertex. Okay, it's where those lines meet. An acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees. And I always think like cute, like, oh, it's so cute and tiny. So if 90 degrees is straight up and straight down, when I make my acute angle, I don't want to go straight up. I want to go less than that. So that would be an acute angle. So an example of that would be 45 degrees, right? It's less than 90. Obtuse angle is an angle. So this is less. This would be an angle more than 90 degrees. I think of obtuse, like huge, obtuse. So again, if this is 90 degree, I have my flat line. I want to make it bigger than the straight up, so I'm going to go out this way, and it's going to be greater than 90 degrees. An example of that could be like 120 degrees. So obtuse. So then a straight angle is an angle equal to 180 degrees. An example of this would be, here's my angle X, Y, Z, and this is 180. It's literally laying flat my angle. So these are the vocabulary words we're going to use today when we draw our angles. Okay, so for problem 1, we're just going to label some of these angles and draw them down on here. Okay, so my first one I'm going to do is a right angle, and I'm going to label it ABC. So if you remember from today, draw me an angle ABC that's a right angle. So I always like to start on the bottom. Just draw a straight line down. If I have a straight horizontal line, I'm going to do a straight vertical line, and then I have 90 degrees. And I'm going to label this as A, B, C. And you can see my vertex is that B where my 90 degrees is. Okay, next one we're going to try is draw an acute angle. Remember, we're going to think of something tiny, acute. So let's pick 3 new letters for my acute angle. I'm going to do X, Y, Z. So I'm going to have a straight line for my Z here, my Y here. Now I want it to be smaller than 90 degrees. So if I go straight up, that would be 90. It's almost like my angle's got to come in and be tighter. So I'm going to make a nice narrow angle. Label this X, Y, here's my vertex, Z, and less than 90 degrees. It's smaller. It's like I'm taking that L and I'm squeezing it in and making it nice and tight, nice and cute. Okay, let's try obtuse. So remember, an obtuse angle is going to be greater than 90 degrees. So here, let's pick 3 new letters. I'm going to go straight line, and then this one, instead of going straight up, I want to make it go out bigger. So I'm going to go all the way out here. Show my vertex, and I'm going to label my points on here. J, K, and L. And because it's 90 and I stretched it out wider to make that vertex bigger, it's going to be an obtuse angle. And then our last one that we just did would be a straight angle. And that has to equal 180 degrees. So it's just going to be this straight line with 3 points. I'm going to do M, N, O. It's that straight line, so it's 180 degrees. I took that angle and I opened it all the way flat. So when we come into class tomorrow, we're going to be finding these kind of angles. We're going to say if they're bigger than, less than 90 degrees, but this is the one we compare it all to, right? If it's less than, it's going to be acute. If it's more than, it's going to be obtuse. Think cute and obtuse. If you say it like that, I promise you won't forget. All right, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.